It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! We need to take parts off the
Heavy drilling tractor. Keep going.
Perfect! Well, it all needs to be fixed. The track is broken. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Excellent. That's it. Install the parts in the matching silhouette. You fixed it! The wires are broken. Let's fix it. To open the cover plate, rotate the switches and turn on the lights. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Awesome! Plug the wire into the right place.
Blue. Red. Green. Yellow. Violet.
You fixed it! Something is dripping here. Let's open the cover plate. Turn the valve to open it. Wonderful! Pick up all the junk with pliers. Super duper! Perfect! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Super duper! All done! Now help to assemble!
Heavy drilling tractor.
Keep up the great work! You can upgrade the vehicle! We need to get to the construction site!